All right, my people, una welcome to this YouTube channel. So today I wan teach una how to edit your picture with Photolab app. Na wetin I wan explain for this video today. So if you don first get this Photolab app for your phone, no wahala. But if you never get this Photolab app for your phone, the first thing wey you need to do na to go to your Play Store. So you need to go to your Play Store. You need to go your Play Store, go download the Photolab app. This one wey my arrow dey point to, na im be Play Store. So you go touch am, touch that Play Store, click am. When you click am, you go come this up place here, where this arrow dey so, this up. You go come type Photolab app. Then you go search for am. Okay, so na this one na you go download. Me, I don already get am for inside my phone. That's why e appear like this. So make we continue. So after you don download the app, you go come click am, you go open am. Okay, you go install am for your phone. Then you go open am. So the thing dey load now, the app wan open. Alright, so this na im be the app. Okay, so these ones, all these ones wey you dey see so, na dem be the template when you wan put your picture. So the thing be say, the idea behind this Photolab so na different ways. Either you change the person face, put your face there, or you use the app take edit your picture, or you use the app take turn your picture to cartoon. You fit still use the app take turn your picture to wetin oyinbo people dey call AI picture, which is artificial intelligent picture. Okay, you fit use this app take generate AI picture. Okay, so make you check my channel, you go see the video there. So na all this be the templates, dem dey call am templates, wey we get for this Photolab app. Okay, all this place when they write beauty, photography, girl, and all that, you go click them one after the other. Na different templates na im be that one. So if you want turn your picture, if you want use any of these ones, you want put your face for any of these ones, you go use them. Okay, so make we go back. Okay, so you see this one now, when be photography, you click on am, you see the different templates when still dey here, right? Okay, so make we go back to that beautiful. Yes, okay, so we don come to beautiful. Okay, so now I wan put my picture for this fine girl here, this one, this African queen here. I wan put my picture for inside. I wan put my face for this her picture here. Okay, so as I don click am like this now, as I don click am, I go come select picture. Na me be this sister wey sit down for here like this. So I go click on my picture. Alright, so now you go click this arrow, this one when they point to the right hand side, click am. Okay, almost done. I know say this place now be like say I no dey see wetin dey happen for there. Okay, so now I go need to press this share when dey the up here, this one here, this one, wait, this one. I go press am, I go touch am. Good. So now im dey show me whether make I download. See am for this place under. Im dey ask me say whether I wan download I wan send am to Instagram or I wan send am to, so me I go like to download. I go click on download. Okay, im don save to my phone. You see am where im write image save for up. Okay, im don download to my phone now. Okay, so you see this photo lab, this their watermark wey dey here like this, im go appear for your picture. Okay, so if you wan remove am, you go need to pay money for the lab, for the app. You go need to pay money for them for the app, so that any other picture when you do, this photo lab watermark e no go dey. But e no matter, I don do video also on how to remove watermark from picture. I do 2 video on how to remove watermark for picture, so make you go check am for my YouTube channel here. You go see them. Okay, so make we continue, make we go back, make I go back like this now. Okay my people, so anyone wey e be say you wan use like this, any of the fine picture when you like, when you see say I like this picture, is very fine, make I put my face for this one. Now as I do that first one, na so you go do am. E not too hard my people, e not hard at all. You go just do am like that. Okay, make I go my gallery, make we go see whether im don save to my phone. Okay, make I open my gallery now. Okay, make I look for, you see am for here, photo lab. Wow, shebi you don see am here. See the picture. So the next thing now for me to go remove this watermark wey e dey. So if you know say you never subscribe to my channel, abeg make you subscribe to this channel, make you help this channel grow. Abeg like this video if you know say this video help you well, make you like the video. Share this video to your friends, especially the ones when they like Pidgin English. Help me to share am, give our country people, make them watch. Comment, leave your comment for the comment section, and make you click that notification bell, so that anytime I drop any video, you go watch am. So this channel I dey use both big oyinbo and pidgin english take dey do video. If I speak big oyinbo for one, I go do pidgin english for the other one. So make you help me to subscribe. If you don subscribe before, you just see this video and you come back come watch am, oh I love you too much, you too much. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Till we meet again, in good health. Bye.